In today's fast-paced digital world, providing real-time support and engagement can make or break your customer experience strategy. Enter Zoho SalesIQ, a robust platform designed to supercharge your business with intelligent chatbots, live chat capabilities, and visitor insights. Zoho Sales IQ empowers businesses to offer round the clock support, automate workflows, and personalize customer interactions, all from a single platform. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up and using Zoho Sales IQ's chatbot features. Whether you're new to chatbots or looking to elevate your customer service game, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to maximize your investment in this powerful tool. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the intelligent bot builder. Zoho Sales IQ comes with an intuitive drag and drop bot builder that requires no coding expertise. This feature enables businesses to create custom chatbots tailored to specific workflows or customer needs. This reduces dependency on technical teams and speeds up the deployment process. Another key feature is the context-aware conversations. The chatbot uses AI to deliver contextually relevant responses based on customer queries and behavior. It can seamlessly integrate with Zoho CRM and other tools to pull customer data in real time. This improves the quality of customer interactions, making them more personalized and impactful. Another key feature is the predefined templates. For quick deployment, Zoho Sales IQ offers a range of ready-to-use chatbot templates that cater to various industries like e-commerce, real estate, and education. This saves time and ensures that even non-technical users can create a fully functional bot with minimal effort. Another key feature is the lead qualification and nurturing. The chatbots can automatically qualify leads by asking relevant questions and capturing their information. They can also nurture leads by sharing personalized content and updates. This streamlines the lead management process, freeing up human agents to focus on closing deals. Another key feature is the multi-channel compatibility. Zoho Sales IQ chatbots can be deployed across multiple channels, including websites, mobile apps, and messaging platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. This expands your reach and ensures consistent customer service across all touchpoints. Another key feature is the comprehensive analytics. The platform provides detailed reports on chatbot performance, visitor engagement, and conversion rates. This offers actionable insights to refine strategies and improve the bot's effectiveness over time. So, why is Zoho Sales IQ Chatbot a great choice? Zoho Sales IQ stands out due to its balance of simplicity and functionality. It's part of the Zoho ecosystem, meaning seamless integration with other Zoho products like Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, and Zoho Campaigns. This interconnected approach allows businesses to unify their operations and enhance customer service workflows effortlessly. Its affordability and scalability make it accessible for small businesses, while its advanced features cater to larger enterprises. The ability to deploy bots across multiple channels ensures that you're reaching customers wherever they prefer to interact. Zoho Sales IQ isn't just a tool, it's a complete solution for modern customer engagement. So, here are some tips for maximizing Zoho Sales IQ Chatbot. First, you want to regularly update the conversation flow. So keep the chatbot responses fresh and relevant by updating them regularly based on customer feedback and analytics insights. Another tip is to leverage automation and human handovers. So while the chatbot handles repetitive queries, set up workflows for complex issues to be escalated to human agents for seamless service. So basically, Zoho Sales IQ's chatbot feature is an invaluable tool for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement, automate workflows, and improve efficiency. From its intuitive bot builder and to its robust analytics, the platform ensures that businesses of all sizes can deliver exceptional customer service. By setting up and optimizing your chatbot, you'll not only save time, but also boost customer satisfaction and drive conversions. So start leveraging Zoho Sales IQ today and experience the transformative power of intelligent chatbots in your business strategy. So if you need more information about Zoho Sales IQ, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned, and of course, the pricing of the platform. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.